The Venus kat intulod apo tay baka ay tilakay ni ading Almira daytoy apo nakadunga klase ti tinapay dayto yun. Thank you very much ading Venus kat ana oras niya sige tuloy medatan. Okay, abayin ting kami nusus langin apo kasakbayan di alas 13 ti malam kat madama kayo katumtungga kiti programa na Paul 1 at kami pa nito lang po 97.7 Sweet Radio
Santiago City.
Kat kita dulu pa yung pamalaw.
Wan, Manong Jun and Ambak. Pag-greet si Kuya Dominic Gonzaga ng Yummy Pandesal. Greetings from KDJ.
Thank you very much for tuning in. Yan.
Naibagaw ninong Jun kin is PO5 Ambak.
Idala mo
is man may Ambak jelly me down ni Sam Smith ni Regine Aito ninong thank you. Ay ni SPO6 ko mo kay Matoy Regine. SPO6 Regine Hyacinth Marcelo.
Wan kita man lang. Kan actually ito SPO9 kita nga ni Madam Cynthia Marcelo ni Kumare. Good afternoon.
Kini Senior Inspector Sebio.
Kan kay General
ni Patrick.
Made.
Ano nga?
Ni Antim nga Rosay.
Ay, Nanti Rosay.
Sa General na General problem na. Just kidding. Okay, thank you very much for tuning in dito pagrangayan. Ramon Isabel.
Tamo dyan may down mo, di ba? Can I lay by your side?
Apa yung tamating mga kansunin nga may data?
Next to you. Akong kasji mo. Good tempo, babati nga ako dito nakahiga, nakikinig sa inyo. Request ko ngayong that's we all got in mind. Till death do us part. It's me, Marilyn, ni Fondo ng Camarel.
Okay, no dapat apo ti kape dita kat manghimay kayo dito.
Salamat kayo dyan, wala akong sabi. Ang galing-galing nyo. Talaga salamat ng marami hanggang susunod na Sunday.
It's me,
Jackie Cappuccino.
Yes, thank you very much. Ayan, pinaga nga dahil kay Anchen Melody request na dati.
Manong Jun, gusto ko nga ba yung mayor daughter para sa etang ni Cesar nagbalintong ng asawa ko.
Wow!
It's me, Karen. Thanks, Manong, sa pala ko magnanayan itong programa yung mangliliwakan niya yung Domingo.
Hamong nga papuraan, handa maawatan nun. Mayor daughter ka na, tiganda ang balong.
So, I'll be nervous about day. Sa pinagriga dito
Okay, padasam latan. Okay, Mary Data.
Daughter Marier.
To be performed by no other than John Mark
Rico J. Puno.
Carabajal Pastor.
Ikaw.
So I would never. Apa dia tuloy? Nirugya lagaro dun.
Kinirugya mo di si kamang kwa. Ulit. Ulit. Sir, I'm a bit nervous about here today. Still not real sure what I'm going to say. Just bear with me please if I take up too much of your time. You see these boxes are ring for your oldest. She's my everything, you know that I know it. It would be such a relief if I knew that we were on the same side. 'Cause very soon I'm hoping that I could marry your daughter, make her my wife. I want her to be the only girl that I love for the rest of my life. Give her the best of me till the day that I die. Yeah. I'm gonna marry your princess, make her my queen. She'd be the most beautiful bride that I've ever seen. I can't wait to smile when she walks down the aisle on the arm of her father, on the day that I marry daughter. She's been here every step since the day that I met her. So don't you ever worry about me ever treating her bad. I've got most of my path and so far. Until death do us part. There's no doubt in my mind. This side, I'm ready to start. I swear to you with all of my heart, I'm gonna marry your daughter and make her my wife. I want her to be the only girl that I love for the rest of my life, and give her the best of me till the day that I die. Yeah. I'm gonna marry a princess and make her my queen. Should be the most beautiful bride that I've ever seen. I can't wait to smile when she walks down the aisle on the arm of her father. On the day that I marry your daughter, the first time I saw her, I swear I knew that I said I do. I'm gonna marry your daughter, make her my wife. I want her to be the only girl that I love for the rest of my life. Give her the best of me till the day that I die. I'm gonna marry a princess, make her my queen. Should be the most beautiful bride that I've ever seen. I can't wait to smile when she walks down the aisle on the arm of her father. On the day that I marry your daughter.
As requested, a song called Marry Your Daughter by Bruce Lee. Okay nga Rod, may samat apo nga sunata nga papugtuan ta kadagiti DJ tata nga dumdum nga madamagat baring lang no makaalada iti 200 peso load kat is ilak mo man data rawangan ta baka sumbro ta ditoy. Makita ta ti title na ditoy. So aman na rin man tatanga dumdumag ni DJ Sean, may sama ni DJ ni KDJ. Sino pwede kita mga tita?
DJ Sam, DJ Hans,
okay,
DJ Ariston, DJ Ambong, DJ
kana mabalimeng ani ka Melvin, wino ni ka Jordan, dagiti pangulo, dagiti managdakdakes ti pumugto. Ka Jordan kini ka kada man. Mapugtuan nga tati sunata nga dito. Text na kayo. Ayan natin.
DJ only?
DJs. Hindi, okay lang. Pwede rin sila kung sino
mag-text dito sa text line.
sumagot sa kanila na mag-text dito sa text line with their
mag-text sa number ko.
Madi, dito na lang. Baka
hindi nila alam yun number ko eh.
Dito na lang. At kapag nahulaan nila ang eto na, ready na sila.
Name?
Yung
address.
Kanila, wag na address.
Hindi.
Sige, unahan. Name, address.
Name, age, address. Street, Purok. Hindi, name, age, address.
Basta may code name lang.
Answer.
May pangalan at merong may code name sila at title of the piece. Unahan kayo dito ha. Apo, dami din nakikinig ngayon.
Hindi, madali lang yan. Ayoko yan. Yung 1960s nga.
Ay, gusto mo yung mahirap talaga?
Oo.
Sige, maghanap tayo ng...
Ako maghanap. Ni?
Apo, katuwaan lang kat...
Napingin niya rin.
11 nga minutos lang yun apo. Bago malpas iti programa may isong... ayan, parigatin tadagiti. Kaya sige, berukom. Berukom, anang atang sonata ayati na sayaat. Awanan. Wala na. Ikaw kasi naghanap. Ayan, wala na. Nagmayaman ka. Apo, da kami tumanan ito nuwa next week. Alas 12 nga alas 3 iti malam. Kat, ano, kikitaan nyo dita. Ayun, apo, dito mo, dito yung DJ, dito pa mo tinumber, dito yung mo istasyon. 0977-369-1552. Si kayo nga talaga mo, apo.
Yung sa kanya, folder ng John and Jason.
Aha. Agor kata kita tangar di jaya folder iti
John and Jason.
No? Pinalaingan da.
John and Jason. Hoy, bawal ti kumita toy.
Kita ta.
Dito ko si Juan.
Nahihirapan na kami.
Oy.
Bago lang daw.
Hindi, luma para ko.
1940s.
Mga Elvis Presley, gano'n.
Anyway.
You don't have to be beautiful to turn me on.
Only you can make all this world seem right. Madaya daw.
Okay.
Wala na siyang mahanap.
I-plug mo. Okay. This, and apo, medyo baka pa sakitin na kami danon mo na pati oras di pa nagsisina tayo. Kat Adda kami tumanan next week, same time, same place ito lang. Apo, paborito yung estasyon, Sweet Radio 97.7 with our program. Adda kami manan. Isong arod, nga dito yung sonata nga pugton dakat may isang nga oldies. Ayan, kat no da makapugton agpakada kami. Ito yan. Goodbye England's rose, may you ever grow in our hearts. You are the grace that place itself where lives were torn apart. You called out to a country and you whispered to those in pain. Now you belong to heaven and the stars spell out your name. And it seems to me you live your life like a candle in the wind, never fading with the sunset when the rain set in. And your footsteps will always fall in among England's greenest hill. Your candles burned out long before the legend ever will. Loveliness to lost, this empty taste without a smile. This torch will always carry for the nation's golden child. And even though we try, the truth brings us to tears. All words cannot express the joy you brought us through the years. Yet it seems to me you lived your life like a candle in the wind, never fading with the sunset when the rain set in. And your footsteps will always fall in among England's greenest hills. Your candles burn out long before the legend ever will. Goodbye England's rose, may you ever grow in a heart. You wear the grace of place itself while lives were torn apart. Ang correct answer niya may open and close pa yan. Goodbye England's rose, from a country lost.
Sino yung original na kumanta?
Is the wings of your compassion
Ilagay.
more than you will ever know. It seems to me you live your life like a candle in the wind, never fading with the sunset when the rain set in. And your footsteps will always fall in among England's greenest hill. Your candles burned out long before the legend ever will. Candles burn out long before the legend ever will. Ayan, nga load. Dan apo ti nangabak iti 200 peso load. Kada gito'y DJs iti radio. Kat dagat awan sa bali ay nuhangan ni. Sino balong? Tinangabak. I-announce mo na. Bago ta nga pumakadang talaga.
DJ Elixir.
DJ Elixir. This is DJ Owen actually. Okay. Happy birthday to Wendell Magday of Sagana. She is my cousin. Pakigreet kami here dito sa Sagana. FTD, salamat. It's DJ Sean. Ayan, itinangabak ka po ni DJ Sean. Candle in the Wind. Ayan.
Pero sabay, magkasabay silang nag-text ni Hans.
Sabay sila.
Parehas ng oras yung kanila.
Ganun ba? Ayan. So,
si Jordan ang layo ng sagot eh. Only you daw.
Yun ang ginagamit. Andito yung mga text niya.
Hindi, dapat talaga pag nagsumagot ka, makikitext ka sa iba nakitext siya sa iba
Tama siya.
Yun ang kon mechanics
ayan, may isang minutos na gina po. Dumtungin tintay pa nagsisina. Kat ito yan, taya. Manong yung June sa Riales.
Hindi, sino talaga nanalo?
Bahala rin sila maghati doon. Basit lang mati pa premyo. At dalaki diti pang load naman. Pang personal load. Tig sa sangagas.
Madamada ka nog shashat ko na ni Sean. Tarap ang nakakabulag na gin.
Matlaw mo lang tayo iti taong kumakanta iti last night. Talaga nga muna iti sonata nga pang last night. Dahil tayo pang last night nga sonata. A piece from Elton John.
Pati ni Sir Emil nag-answer.
Candle in the Wind.
Dedicated kay Lady Diana.
When it was sung by Elton John to Princess Diana nung siya
naudi mo Candle in the Wind by Elton John, Jordan Navarro.
Talagang in-specify na pa. Once again, Abu, thank you very much for being with us, and this has been your Uncle John. Ayan, saying good night and good night, goodbye, and God bless everyone. Apo, madete at patugtugan. Ayan. Okay, sumaron na po iti DJ sumarno? Countdown by DJ Sam and DJ Hans. Okay, good night.